Let's take a look at the price action for XRP. As we look at this on the weekly time frame, very similar situation to last week. We see that the RSI and the stochastic RSI are creating a hidden bullish divergence. This is caused by the price creating higher lows and the oscillator creating lower lows. We are also still in an uptrend with the price creating higher highs and higher lows. However, right now it may make more sense to pay attention to the price of Bitcoin. If BTC breaks lower, XRP will most likely follow. And if we take a look at the price of Bitcoin, we are below this bull market support band and actually have a few weekly candles below it, so the bearish momentum is very strong. The hidden bullish divergence on this chart has been negated, and you can see the stochastic RSI is below this 20 level, which also shows strong bearish momentum. The RSI also below the moving average, which is this yellow line here. This adds to the bearish case for Bitcoin as well. Although this may not be the bottom and Bitcoin could definitely head lower, this could be a decent spot if you are looking to dollar cost average in, paying attention to these orange lines that are corresponding to the fib levels as good areas to add or buy more. And this is pretty crazy if we look at this on a macro view.
When I knew I wanted to form an LLC, I did a bunch of online research, and me being a technology.
From eGrad Crypto, XRP, could this cycle eclipse 2017? You can see right here, in the previous cycle, we saw a flawless breakout following the measured move of a symmetrical triangle, boasting a remarkable 900% surge to the upside. Applying the same rationale to the current cycle hints at a potential measured move of around 2,000%, propelling XRP to the $15 milestone. eGrag says, but hold on to your seats. In the initial part of cycle 1, we marveled at a 770% ascent. By adopting a similar perspective, we could envision XRP ascending to approximately $150. And if we take a look at this, XRP on-chain activity spikes to 7-month high. Adjusted volume grows 112.57%. You can see in this tweet from Santiment, XRP is seeing major utility spikes to start the month. In addition to today's milestone highs in on-chain transaction volume of 4.8 billion XRP and circulation of just over 2 billion XRP, the development activity for the 5th largest cap asset in crypto is up big as well. And to me, this is going to be the trend as we move into 2024 and the next Bitcoin halving. The FUD will be coming at you from every direction, but the numbers and the stats and the hard facts are going to support the truth. The fact of the matter is, the technology is coming, whether Gary likes it or not. And the other scary part that no one in Washington wants to deal with is that finance, it's really only the beginning. All right, let's move it over here because this is the big story still looming over the entire crypto industry. Ripple files motion to oppose SEC appeal over landmark XRP ruling. Ripple bursts SEC claim of XRP has no intrinsic value in court filing. And the big question, will a settlement between Ripple and the SEC come before the end of 2023? Lawyer explains the only way. And that lawyer is the one and only Big D, John Deaton, saying this: the only way Ripple and the SEC settle before the end of the year is if Judge Valia grants the Coinbase MTD or partially grants it, finding token sales on an exchange in a blind bid/ask transaction do not fall under US securities laws, but allow the staking components to move forward. If that happens, then the SEC and Gary Gensler may be forced to pivot. I doubt the Solicitor General would allow an appeal in that scenario, one that could reach the Supreme Court, allowing for the higher court to further strip away not only the SEC's power, but all other federal agencies as well. So I guess that leaves only one question left to answer. Who's ready for the proper party? Registration is now open for the Ripple-hosted community celebration on September 29th in New York City. This event is free to attend. Please be sure to read the FAQ and note the event is first come, first served.
Wonderful.
Questions are swirling. Will there be any big announcements at this party? John D says, I have zero insider information. With that said, let me tell you at the Ripple proper party, there won't be an announcement of a settlement. See why I say that below. He says, unfortunately, there won't be an announcement of an IPO either. Who approves an IPO? That's right, the SEC. The SEC isn't going to approve an IPO when they are seeking a permanent injunction against Ripple related to future institutional sales of XRP during the remedies phase of this litigation, as well as seeking a permanent injunction against the CEO and chairman of the board if they win at trial. And check this out from Forbes. Crypto suddenly braced for a game-changing China earthquake that could hit the Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, Tron, and Toncoin price. According to a new report from the People's Court of China titled Identification of the Property Attributes of Virtual Currency and Disposal of Property Involved in the Case, it states that virtual currency is not classified as an illegal item. Therefore, under the current legal policy framework, the virtual currency held by relevant entities in our country is still legal property and protected by law. And we already know that Bitcoin and crypto companies in Hong Kong are being issued licenses to offer crypto trading to the public under a new regulatory regime. Last month, the first licenses were awarded to crypto exchanges Hashkey and OSL. Additionally, we see this, $114.5 billion in US treasuries dumped by China and new BRICS member Saudi Arabia. You can see right here, new numbers from the Treasury Department show that China trimmed its US Treasury holdings from $938.8 billion in June of last year to $835.4 billion in June of 2023. As for new BRICS member Saudi Arabia, the Middle Eastern country reduced its holdings of US debt by $11.1 billion over the same period, going from about $119 billion to about $108 billion. According to Bloomberg, domestically higher risk means potential losses for the kingdom. Globally, reallocation of Saudi wealth could result in higher US interest rates. Of course, not everyone has been dumping. India accumulated $26.6 billion, and the UAE and Brazil added $25.1 billion and $1.3 billion respectively to their holdings over the same 12-month period. However, this is definitely something to keep an eye on. US will control over 50% of global oil production after January. Saudi trade with China and India reached a record of almost $175 billion last year. China has established an exchange to trade oil in yuan, and India makes first crude oil payments to the UAE in Indian rupees. Check this out, new billboard up at a major metro station in Dubai. Ripple means business. Signs are starting to pop up all over the globe, and it is something worth taking notice of. This article is interesting or disgusting. Gary Gensler's net worth updated. This article says, as of 2023, Gary Gensler has a net worth of $119 million. It is estimated that Gary Gensler earns around $32,000 per month, which equates to an annual salary of $384,000. Is it just me, or is it a complete conflict of interest to allow an appointed bureaucrat who has butlers and maids and $120 million locked away to be in charge of regulating for the best investing interest of the common man or woman? Just like Big Pharma doesn't want to provide medicines that will cure you because then they make less money, Gary Gensler doesn't have any vested interest in protecting the everyday investor. In fact, just like Big Pharma company, proposed California bit license AB 39 has passed the Senate Appropriations Committee and will now pass to Governor Newsom's desk. This would require a bit licensing for basically any sort of Bitcoin business activity and would impose a $100,000 fine for absence of said license.
You can see this is XRP, and I think XRP is tuning up for a major breakout. So from the information with XRP growing overseas, what do you guys think the next price prediction will be? I got a video where this guy's talking about $50 per XRP. But this is Black Tiger Miner. Welcome you to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And today we're talking about XRP and XRP predictions. I did see this article before we get to that. Ripple sells tens of millions of XRP at loss. Price drops after recent rise. I think this is yesterday. Despite XRP price going down slightly, Ripple has transferred several tens of millions of XRP to a major crypto exchange which seems like a sale as reported by major block turn tracker Whale Alert. Prior to that, staggering amounts of hundreds of millions of XRP were moved from crypto exchange to anonymous wallets. XRP sells while price goes down. So if the price is going down and all this new information is coming out, are they selling to get prepared for a price explosion? Let me know what you think about that. And let me look at this other article here. Let's see. XRP community debates if it could reach $10. SEC veteran joins a debate. XRP enthusiasts find themselves passionate debate over potential price surge of their beloved digital asset. The focal point of the heated discussion revolves around critical questions. Can XRP reach the coveted $10 mark while optimists run high with XRP community, and a seasoned SEC vet has added a dose of regulatory reality to the conversation? So they're saying critics gonna criticize, so let us focus on listening and allowing me to explore some captivating insights. Ladies and gentlemen, lend me your ears. I've got riveting data to unravel all ground in 3-month time frame. So as he's mentioning too, there is some movement about XRP going up to $10 and $50 within the next couple months. So we're going to keep an eye on that. I do hold XRP as well as CASPA, but there's a lot of movement in XRP. So I'm just trying to see what's going on and what do you guys think about it. Is it worth continuing to read up on or keep investing, or are you guys looking for another alternative? So let's check the live coin watch. Live coin watch says in the last hour it's up 0.24%. Last 24 hours it's up 0.33%. Last 7 days it's down 2.9%. Last 30 days is up 19.09%. Last 90 days, it's down 4.28%. And year, it's up 50.27%. Circulating supply is 52.9 billion. Total supply is 99 billion. Max supply is 100 billion. Total cap is 50.98 billion. 24-hour low is 0.4997. 24-hour high is 0.514. So there's definitely some movement on the upside. Let's go to the 7-day chart and the 30-day chart. So it seems like it's been consolidating for some time now, or at least for the month of August. So let me know what you guys think. And this was another article. XRP price prediction is 700 million trading volume comes in. Could it reach $1? XRP has remained more or less stable today with a 0.2 gain in the past 24 hours, coming as wider cryptocurrencies move on similar modest percentage. At 0.502, XRP is down 2% in a week, by 20% in the last 30 days, along with the altcoin set up by 47% since the beginning of the year, helped by SRP's success in legal court with the SEC. And with the 24-hour trading volume rising beyond 700 million today, the coin has enough liquidity and activity in its markets to see further gains in coming days. So, do you think there's a price bump coming? One of the articles, I think I'll do that video next in a separate video about this $50 per share by September, which I think is past, but I guess this is the beginning of September, so we'll see. But just trying to keep up with some XRP because I do have XRP along with CASPA and several other cryptocurrencies. I just wanted to get that XRP video out and start getting some XRP buzz. I'm going to make another CASPA video today, and probably get to a Dynex. Let me know what you guys think about the Dynex videos. Let me get at least 20. Let me get 30 likes, and we'll keep doing XRP videos. If not, we'll do. I'm going to do a Casper video regardless, and I might do a Dynex. Let me know what you think or what else you want to talk about on the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. But as always, have a good evening or a good rest of the day, and let's get back to the money.